challenges. Thus, I hope you can write this on your own. Opportunities for startup, क्या लिखना पड़ेगा इसके अंदर? Structure of the answer is important. First subheading opportunities for startup, next subheading challenges for startup. What are the opportunities for startup in India? देखो इंडिया के अंदर किसी भी चीज की अपॉर्चुनिटी है. Everything in India, we write about multimodal transportation, opportunities in India. Financial technology, opportunities in India. Anything we write, सबके अंदर there is huge opportunity for India. क्यों है? Because इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन बहुत बड़ी है. ठीक है ना? तो आपको इस पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट को ऐसे नहीं लिखना होता है कि इंडिया हैज ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन. यू राइट सिंपली लाइक इंडिया हैज अ ह्यूज अनटैप्ड मार्केट. ह्यूज अनटैप्ड मार्केट which creates huge potential. So startups in India, huge untapped market अगर आपको लिखना हो तो इस टाइप से लिखना. अब ये वाला पॉइंट भी नीचे आना चाहिए, नहीं कि सबसे ऊपर होना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि आप पहले भी स्टार्टअप्स के बारे में लिख रहे हो. Write down about youth population in the country. Write down about increasing number of educated professionals, skilled professionals. आपको potential लिखना है ना, startup opportunities लिखनी है. Write down about increased exposure of Indian startups or Indian youth. Exposure ज़्यादा है and therefore there are more chances that people are going to set up their own businesses, own firms. Startup ecosystem के अंदर असर करना. Increased opportunities, most importantly, increased funding opportunities. Funding available है, so therefore there would be more chances of a person setting up a startup. अगर funding available है तो, funding available नहीं है तो कम opportunity है. So now we have an ecosystem, plethora of angel investors, plethora of people, venture capitalists in the country, which are ready to provide funding. Therefore, again, the opportunities for startups in India are immense. Write down about fields in which there can be startups. Fields कौन-कौन से हैं? फाइनेंशियल टेक्नोलॉजी फील्ड है, स्टार्टअप का है. फूड प्रोसेसिंग फील्ड स्टार्टअप का फील्ड है. स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी, स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन स्टार्टअप. डूइंग समथिंग विद डेटा, डेटा से कुछ भी आपको करना है. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस स्टार्टअप का फील्ड है. Why? Because these are the fields which are as of now not highly cluttered with lot of industries. काफी स्कोप है इसके अंदर क्योंकि अभी प्रेजेंट इंडस्ट्रियल प्रेजेंस कम है. स्टार्टअप का, टेक्नोलॉजी का, इनोवेशन का स्कोप इसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा है. सो राइट डाउन अबाउट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फील्ड्स, अपकमिंग फील्ड्स व्हिच आर देयर. What are the challenges? Challenges भी लिखने हैं. So are the challenges. Challenges are also immense. What are the challenges for startups? Fundings. Most importantly, first challenge for startup is fundings. हाँ, क्या चीज? एक सेकेंड, एक एक करके बोलो. क्या? अच्छा, टैक्स क्लियरेंस इश्यूज, रेगुलेशंस एंड ऑल. ओके, हाँ, अब बोलो क्या बोल रहे थे? Licenses and all. Fine. First challenge for startup, fundings. Funding. Even though the ecosystem of venture capitalists or angel investors that has increased, still funding is a major issue. Funding अभी भी major issue है. Funding is not available easily. Grooming ecosystem, very important aspect. Mentoring. Startup requires mentoring. Mentors availability as far as starting up a business is concerned, still it is in its infancy. It has started to grow. पहले तो बहुत ही कम थी. It has started to grow, but still it is in its infancy. When you are starting up a business, you require mentors. You require people who can guide you. Regulations you can write. Complexities in regulations. In this you can also write down about Startup India program and Startup India program, how it has eased lot of regulations. You can write angel tax wala point, you can write as clarity as far as taxation of funding is concerned. That is angel tax. ये लिख सकते हो अपना. हाँ ठीक है, लिख सकते हो. क्लैरिटी नहीं थी, ये लिख सकते हो. गुड पॉइंट. डिसरप्टिव इनोवेशन. You can write startups की age of startups. Disruptive innovation, by that I'll explain what is meant by this term. Innovation is disruptive in nature. As in, you innovate today, that innovation can be disrupted easily by some other innovation. So pace of change of technology is very fast today. So startups, if they use one technology today, there are chances that it can be bettered very quickly by someone else. There are chances that can be bettered by someone else very quickly, and therefore this disruptive innovation again curtails to some extent startup. इसका एक एग्जाम्पल या फिर इसका और एक एक्सप्लेनेशन ये है that startup inherently requires taking risks. As far as culture in the country is concerned, जो work culture है, culture is not very conducive for risks. People would like to settle, people would like to take less and less risks in their life. So as far as that startup culture is concerned, that is still not forthcoming. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. The term